What's up, superhero crypto ninjas? Today we'll be exploring CBDCs. What is a CBDC and which countries are currently using them? Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are digital tokens issued by a country's central bank and are pegged to the value of that nation's fiat currency. CBDCs are based on centralized systems with the main goal of providing consumers and businesses with privacy, transferability, convenience, and quote-unquote financial security. One of the goals of a CBDC would be to reduce the dangers involved with using digital cryptocurrencies in their current form. Currently, cryptocurrency prices are very volatile and can sometimes swing anywhere from 5 to 20% or more in a single day. This volatility may influence an economy's overall stability and thus put many households and families under great financial stress. The government believes that CBDCs would provide a secure mechanism for people, businesses, and consumers to exchange digital currencies since they are guaranteed by the government and regulated by a central bank. As a result, governments believe that a CBDC is required in this financial market when extreme crypto crashes have been witnessed, with the likes of Luna, Celsius, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies losing more than 70% of their initial worth lately. Which countries are using CBDCs? As of March 2022, 9 countries and territories have adopted a CBDC. They are as follows. 1. The Bahamas. In October 2020, the Central Bank of the Bahamas issued the Sand Dollar. Sand Dollar was the world's first CBDC that covered an entire country. Number 2. Nigeria. In October 2021, Nigeria became the first African country to establish a CBDC. Naira is kept in a digital wallet and used for in-store contactless payments, including money transfers. Next up, the Eastern Caribbean Union. 7 Eastern Caribbean Union countries have developed their digital currency called Dcash to assist in speedy transactions and to serve those without bank accounts. These 7 countries include Dominica, Antigua and Barbuda, St. Kitts and Nevis, Montserrat, Grenada, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There are 10 major countries where pilot CBDCs are currently being tested. Number 1. India. A digital rupee would be introduced by 2022 to 2023, according to the Indian government. The announcement was made February 2022 by India's finance minister. This would be supported by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. It is currently in the development stage. Number 2. The Bank of Russia. The country's central bank declared in February 2022 that the CBDC, also known as the digital ruble, has successfully passed its early trials. According to a press release, 2 of the banks in the Bank of Russia's trial group had already established connections to the network for the virtual currency and finished a full cycle of digital ruble transactions between consumers using mobile banking apps. Number 3. Sweden. A digital currency called the e-krona that was created in Sweden is currently being tested. Testing will go from a settling with made-up people to one with actual participation. Number 4. China. China became the first major economy to test digital money in April 2020. By 2022, the People's Bank of China hopes that the e-CNY, or digital yuan, would be widely accepted throughout China. Number 5. Jamaica. Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness stated that the Bank of Jamaica would introduce a digital Jamaican dollar in 2022. Number 6. Canada. Despite discussions that have been ongoing since 2020, the Bank of Canada still lacks a firm date for the start of a CBDC. It is still in development. Number 7. The United States of America. The CBDC here is still under research status. In March 2022, the Joe Biden administration signed an executive order to promote responsible innovation in the field of digital assets. Number 8. The United Kingdom. The UK administration does not yet specify a deadline, while still maintaining CBDCs under research status. Number 9. Mexico. This is also a work in progress. A CBDC will be introduced by the Mexican Central Bank by 2024. And finally, number 10. Pakistan. The administration first revealed its CBDC plans in April 2019. To issue a CBDC, it has set a deadline of 2025. Please note that there are more countries in the pilot stage. You can check out the website atlanticcouncil.org/CBDC tracker to find out more. I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, have a wonderful day, and God bless.
I've got you in my sights.